Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to sort a data row wise. Okay, so for you all know, if I'm not wrong, how to sort a data column wise already. Okay, for example, if we have a data like this, you want to sort it the column data. Okay, a particular column, you can go to the data sort, then select that column, probably here the column A, then press OK and sort it. Okay, but how to sort a data row wise? For example, I have the same product names are in each column, but it is in a particular row. Okay, I want to sort this one. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, so this one is simpler in the same way that how we are doing in the data sort. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do it. Copy, probably I will show it one step for only one row sorting, then I will show you the multiple rows. Okay, so what we are going to do is we just select this row number 8, go to data sort, then go to here you can see the column wise. So usually what this is the default, it will show you data in column. So sort by column. Instead, what we need to do is go to the options, select orientation. Instead of sort top to bottom, select sort left to right. Okay, then press OK. Once you press OK, you can see the sort is by the rows. Okay, so row sort. Okay, so what we need to do is you select the row number 8, then press OK. Then you can see the data is sorted in the row. Okay, so similarly you want multiple rows to be sorted. Select both the rows. Okay, then go to data, then sort, then go to options. Again you select the sort left to right, press OK, then come here, sort by which row. Probably I want to sort it by the row number 4, which is the product names. Okay, from A to Z. Press OK. Now you can see the product names are sorted. Okay, in the row number 4 is sorted. Okay, now you want to sort it for the sales. Okay, so sales values, for example, then again select both those rows, go to data sort, then select the row number 5, which is the sales, and then you select smallest to largest, probably this time largest to smallest, then press OK. You can see it is sorted according to the row number 5, the sales values. The corresponding product names are appeared here because we selected the row number 4 also. Okay, so this way you can use data sort, then the options sort left to right to sort the row wise data. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.